Ploughing is a critical agricultural practice that involves turning over the top layer of soil to prepare it for planting crops. To ensure effective ploughing and promote soil health, there are several important elements to consider, and we are going to look at some of them. Number one, soil type and condition. Understand your soil type. Some soils may be clay, others are loam, or even sandy. Since different soils may require different ploughing techniques, you should also assess soil moisture levels, because ploughing is most effective when the soil is slightly moist but not too wet or dry. Number two, plough type and size. Choose the appropriate plough type. For example, we have the moldboard plough like the one you are watching on the video. We have the disc plough and the chisel plough. So you should choose them based on your soil and crop needs. Ensure that the plough size and weight are suitable for your tractor's capacity and the field size. Number three, plough depth. Adjust the plough depth based on your specific crop requirements and soil conditions. Deeper ploughing may be necessary for some crops, while shallow ploughing may be better for others. Number four, ploughing direction. Consider the direction of ploughing to minimize soil erosion and compaction. Contour ploughing along the contour lines of the land can help prevent runoff and soil loss. Number five, timing. Plough at the right time, typically before planting season or after harvesting the previous crop. Avoid ploughing in extreme weather conditions. Number six, organic matter. Incorporate organic matter such as crop residues or compost into the soil during ploughing to improve soil structure, fertility, and water holding capacity. Number seven, soil erosion control. Implement the erosion control measures such as planting cover crops or installing contour stripes to prevent soil erosion after ploughing. Number eight, weed control. Ploughing can bury weed seeds, but it may also bring dormant weed seeds to the surface. Plan for effective weed control strategies after ploughing. Number nine, equipment maintenance. Ensure that ploughing equipment is well maintained to minimize breakdowns and maximize efficiency during the ploughing process. Number 10, soil compaction. Be mindful of soil compaction, which can occur if equipment passes over the same area repeatedly. Avoid overcompaction by using appropriate tire pressures and avoiding heavy equipment when the soil is too wet. Number 11, conservation tillage. Consider conservation tillage practices such as reduced or no-till farming to minimize soil disturbance and preserve soil structure and health. Number 12, safety. Prioritize safety when operating ploughing equipment, especially when walking near steep slopes or uneven terrain. Follow safety guidelines and wear appropriate protective gear. Number 13, environmental regulations. Be aware of any local environmental regulations and guidelines regarding ploughing and soil management practices. Number 14, cost and efficiency. Evaluate the cost effectiveness of ploughing methods and equipment to optimize your farming operations. By carefully considering these elements that we have looked at, the 14 of them, you can improve the effectiveness of ploughing, maintain soil health, and enhance crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. Thank you very much for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe. For any comment, inquiries, or complaints, please leave them on the comments below. Thank you very much.